When we're talking about terms, these aren't fractions even though they kind of look like it. The terms here, actually what it's saying is you get a 2% discount if you pay within 10 days. The whole thing, net they call that, is due within 30 days. The clock starts ticking on the date of the invoice. 10 days from the 9th, not including the 9th, would be August 19th. Easy enough. So the 2% discount is available to you through the end of the day on August 19th. 30 days from August 9th, well, there's 31 days in August, so you would actually lose a day in September, so it's going to be due on September 8th. You can go to a calendar and count the days, or you can go to your textbook and look at that complicated chart. But that's the way that works. The end of the credit period, your entire balance is going to be due by midnight on the 8th of September. You get a 2% discount if you pay within 10 days. This next one's very similar. It's just that the clock starts ticking when you receive the goods rather than the date of the invoice. And this is fairly common in business, that if your invoice was dated August 19th, 2008, and you get a 3% discount if you pay within 10 days, but you didn't receive the goods until almost a year later, the clock starts ticking. If you've made that agreement, if you've agreed with your seller that you get the discount based on the date the goods are received, then the clock starts ticking when the goods are received on July 8th. 10 days from the 8th would be July 18th. July also has 31 days, so 30 days from July 8th should be August 7th. These next two really throw people because the clock starts ticking at the end of the month. So the end of November would be November 30th. The clock would start ticking on November 30th and you'd get a 2% discount within 10 days, which will be December 10th. The entire amount is due 30 days from the date the clock starts ticking, which in this case is December 1st, so that would be December 30th. However, if you're late in the month, on the 25th or after, the clock doesn't start ticking at the end of the month, it actually starts ticking at the end of the next month, which would be January. So the dates on this one would be January 10th and January 30th.